If you've ever rolled like crap in Dungeons & Dragons, you know just how useful inspiration can be. So to all those DMs out there, here are 3 reasons why you should use inspiration more often. First of all, inspiration is a great way to reward players for a lot of various things. The Dungeon Master's Guide offers a few different reasons to hand out inspiration, as well as stating how many times a session it should be given out. But the way I see it, it's a great way to say thank you to players in a way that is useful in-game. If they did phenomenally well at role-playing, let them know. If a shy player broke out of their shell a little, reward them. This is a great way to communicate to your players that, hey, I like that shit. Secondly, it can be a great way to let players know you aren't their enemy. Sometimes as DMs, we have to make really tough calls. These can cause tension, especially in big fights. And at times, we may have to kill off our friends' favorite characters. Giving them inspiration is a great way to let them know you're still there for them and not entirely against them, mostly. And third, it can be used as a narrative device. Have you ever wanted to help give your players a clue that would reveal the big information you've been wanting to reveal, only to have them roll absolutely terrible? Well, imagine if they had a redo, or a reason to gain a sudden spark, a godly edge, a way for the DM to finish telling the damn story. That's where inspiration comes in. And if they roll terrible again, honestly, they don't deserve the truth. We hope you enjoyed this video. I know a lot of DMs don't even use inspiration, but I started sprinkling it into my own games for fun, and it really goes a long way to boosting morale. Please let us know in the comments down below a time when inspiration came in handy for you as a DM. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.